YouTube channel. I hope y'all are doing okay. Well, I know you've been wondering what flatbed machine is. In this video I'm going to show you what flatbed machine is, and it's also called a lockstitch industrial machine. This machine is fixed into a table and they are actually used for mass productions because of their sewing speed. On a flatbed machine, the sewing foot can be lifted by pushing the leg against a pedal brake located underneath the machine table. This is a time-saving device allowing the practitioner to have both hands free to maneuver the fabric into different positions. And then the flatbed machine also has a bobbin system that winds a bobbin while sewing. The machine is designed to save time and increase productivity. The flatbed machine is used for joining garments together, joining seams together, and sewing two or more fabrics at the same time. It has the energy to be able to suppress all of them. Also has a part for double stitch while you hold down for action. Then going down to the engine area, this is where you put all the oil, and from here while sewing it circulates the oil to every part. It's a wrap, and we've gotten to the end of this video, and now you know what a flatbed machine is and the function it carries. Don't forget to like this video, comment, ask questions in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. Thank you.